All UNCG students, faculty, and staff have access to the Read and Write Literacy Toolbar. If you use the Chrome version, you can use this toolbar to add voice comments to your students' work in Google Slides, Docs, any of those Google tools that you're using in your class. You simply click the Voice Note button and then select the record icon and start recording anything you want to tell your students about their work. Select Insert, and then it appears as a voice comment for your students to listen to, and they don't have to have the toolbar installed in order to hear this comment. They would simply see this, click play icon, and start recording anything you want to tell, and they will be able to hear your voice. And as you know, tone does not really come across in written feedback, and it can come, it's kind of scary experience for students. So using this voice tool allows you to convey that encouraging tone of voice when you're giving your students that constructive feedback.